Then you have continuing a story. Now, for continuing a story, you need to make sure that you continue writing from exactly where the extract ended. So, if I'm writing a story and my main character, who might be Issa, for example, is about to explore a haunted house, right? And then I continue it, and suddenly he's on the beach. It doesn't make sense, right? We have to continue from exactly where it ended. We have to use the same tense that they were using. So you have to read very carefully what they've given you. And you have to use the same narrator as well, the same characters, and the same setting. Now, of course, you can change the setting later on, right? Maybe he does go to the beach. Right? He goes to the haunted house, gets so scared that he decides, I'm going to the beach. Sure. But we need to know why that happened. Okay. You don't just do something unexplained. So the key with continuing a story, continue from exactly where it left off. We'll have a look at an example later on. Same tense and narrator, same characters, and same setting.